This is the Screencast-O-Matic recording software that is free. You just click the Launch Free Recorder. After you can click Record for free, I guess. I'm trying to record a recording using Screencast to show you how to do this. So Launch Free Recorder, it will appear in a second, and then you'll get this little icon that lets you choose which size you want to record, if you want to record the full screen, if you just want to record the smaller section. The automatic will pop up as a smaller section. I always just do the full screen. It's easier to navigate, and you can certainly do a slideshow, PowerPoint explanation for your assignments easily with capturing the full screen. You can include your face or not include your face. So you'll have this icon will pop up is what I'm talking about. And so both is the screen and your face. You can just do your face with a webcam, or I just do the screen most of the time, especially when my focus is the content of the presentation. Then once you finish recording, you will see a place to upload the video. You'll just hit the pause button in the bottom left, and it will prompt you to upload to YouTube or upload to Screencast-O-Matic. Since I have an account, you could probably send me a link through Screencast. But the tried and true method, if you really want to have it done, is to upload it to YouTube. You can select in YouTube a private setting. Don't do private setting. Private setting means only you can see it. Do the unlisted setting if you don't want it to go to all over YouTube. Or if you want it all over YouTube, select the public setting. And you can go back and modify the settings once the assignment's graded, or since it's your YouTube account, you can take that down. And anybody can have a YouTube account. If you have a Gmail, you can have a YouTube account. So that should not be an issue either. And that's how you use this very easy, intuitive screen recorder. Probably the easiest method for getting comments on a PowerPoint presentation.